My name is Courtney. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky, and I had my upper and my lower arch replaced by Dr. Harmon. I have been an addict for probably about 8 or 9 years now. I'm in recovery. I think the first toothache that I had, I realized something was really wrong. It was a very slow slide. I started first losing my teeth. I didn't think much of it. It wasn't until I got into having like tooth pain and, like sometimes your whole mouth would hurt. Depression definitely hit hard. There was days where it wasn't just the depression, it was the pain that kept me out. I was a bowler in high school and in college, and I hadn't been bowling in probably 4 or 5 years. As soon as, you roll a strike or something like that, you're coming around and you're smiling. You don't want to do that when, you don't feel like people are going to be like, ew, oh, what's going on with her? Like not wanting to smile around people that would keep me at home. Dr. Harmon, he's been my dentist since I was little. He had told me when he started noticing, my health going down the drain, and I just wasn't really wanting to listen at the time because I was going through a whole lot of stuff. Your smile and your mouth is your gateway to your health. So once I started getting, back into the recovery, back into the rooms of AA, I realized I needed to do something. Once I got all my teeth out, even being without teeth, which I already felt like I was, it felt better. Even with nothing in my mouth, like before I got anything put back in, I felt better. Obviously, taking out your old teeth was the beginning, and then they put in the implants, which are attached to your bone on your jaw. That was when I really started realizing like my whole life was transforming before my eyes. I wasn't at that smiling point that I am now, but I knew that I was on the right path, and it gave me a chance to really not only had I just gotten clean and everything, it was like that new life, that not wanting to necessarily go back to what you had before, but starting over and getting a new life all together. If I could pretty much take a replica of my teeth that I had before, they'd probably look just like this. The pain that I was going through during this procedure was nowhere near the pain that I was going through before. I don't know, it's something I didn't even imagine that could be so easy. I knew that it was gonna be something that I wouldn't have to worry about again. Your own confidence, I feel like that's enough to help somebody, stay clean. This was the day that I got them all pulled. It was sitting right out in the waiting room. This is not me anymore, and I'm so thankful for it. Dr. Harmon has been a blessing, honestly, because he's always been such a great dentist for me over the years. He's always gave me the most honest opinions whenever it came to me slowly disintegrating in my oral health. But now that I've gotten these beautiful new teeth, and I don't feel stuck. This is for everyone. Anyone who has problems with their mouth or with their teeth. When I finally got my smile back, I got my life back too. It was just that extra kick that I think I needed, because now I'm coming up on a year clean. So